Hello everyone. We will discuss about 0-1 knapsack problem using greedy approach. Here we are having the bag that is called knapsack here, which is having some capacity. We can put some of the items inside whenever we are going for purchase. For example, you assume this is the big shopper's bag, right? So in that bag we are going to have that put that purchasing items inside to carry into our home. For example, here we are having so many items like this. So camera here, music equipment, and some of the toys. So when you are having so many items, you will purchase only few items based upon the amount you are having in your pocket and also the capacity of this bag. So here each one will have some capacity, like this is 1 kilogram, this one may be a 2 kilogram, and a tie may be a 500 grams. So like this, each one will have its corresponding weight. The knapsack also will have its capacity. For example, it may carry only the 10 kilograms of weights. So when you are purchasing the items, it should be less than or equal to 10 kilograms of capacity of this bag. Then only you can carry the purchased items. If you are going to purchase more than 10 kilogram, that is 11 kilograms of items, then you cannot put that all 11 kilograms into this bag, because only the capacity is 10 kilogram. So you have to remove that extra 1 kilogram from the bag. So that is the thing. So here knapsack, then the set of items will be given in this problem statement. Each item is having its own weight, which is represented with W of the item, and each item will have its own price or profit, that is called PI. Then we have to determine the subset of items. That means we have to select only few items from this set of items. That's what subset of items. And the total weight, when you are selecting the items, it should be less than or equal to the capacity of this knapsack. The total value should be as large as possible. When you are purchasing the items, the profit of that all items should be maximum, right? So it should equalize that capacity and also maximizing the profit. Here the knapsack problem is having three steps. First one is we have to calculate the preciousness of each item. That means the importance of that each and every items, that is given by profit of that corresponding item divided by weight of that corresponding item. Then the values to be sorted in the descending order. After that, we have to select that items one by one based upon the descending order. We will see that example here based upon the values here. So whenever you are selecting the items from the n number of collection of items, weight should be greater than or equal to 0. That means the greater than 0, that means the weight of each item should be some number of grams or kilograms. The profit also should be greater than 0. That means cost of each item will be 2 rupees or 3 rupees or 200 or 300 only. You cannot purchase the item for 0 rupees. So cost should be always greater than 0. The capacity of the knapsack is represented by using the capital C. So preciousness is calculated by using the cost by weight. Then maximizing that number of purchasing items by using the number profit of that corresponding item into the number of units of that item, subject to less than or equal to capacity. So when you are calculating the weight of each unit, so this is the item and this one is the corresponding weight of that item, so it should be multiplied and the capacity should not cross that, less than or equal to capacity. So here what is the 0 and what is the 1? So 0 means you are selecting the item, not selecting the item. 1 means selecting the item. So we are having two types of knapsack problems. One is the 0-1 knapsack and another one is the fractional knapsack. Fractional knapsack means suppose if you have 10 kilogram of item. So from this 10 kilogram of item you can purchase 2 kilograms, right, from this pack. So he will open the pack and he will give you 2 kilograms. The remaining 8 kilograms will be available in the shop itself. So this is called a fractional portion. A part of item is purchasing, right? That is called fractional portion. 0 1 means you have to select the entire item. So if you have 10 kilogram of pack, the entire item you have to select or you have to ignore. So this is called 0 1 knapsack problem. Now we will see the example one by one. Here the problem is having 4 objects based upon the 0 1 knapsack problem. Either you are ignoring that object or going to select that object. The weight of that item 1 is 2 kilogram, second item 3 kilogram, third item 4 kilograms, fourth item 5 kilograms. Corresponding value of this each item is 3, 7, 2, 9 respectively. We have to solve this knapsack method by using the greedy algorithm. The capacity of the knapsack is 5 kg. So the capacity of this knapsack is 5 kg now. So number of items represented n, C is the capacity, the price of all 4 items is given here, weight of all four items is given here. Now the first step is we have to calculate the preciousness, that means importance of that item. So the object's preciousness is calculated based upon the profit value divided by weight of that corresponding item. So the profit of the first item is 3 and weight of that first item is 2. So we are getting the 1.5. Like that, the weight of that second item is here 7 and profit and weight of this second item is 3. So we are getting 2.3. So third item you are getting price is 2 and the weight is 4. So you are getting 0.5. The fourth item price is 9 and weight is 5. So you are getting 1.8. Now we have to arrange this preciousness value in descending order. So when you are arranging in the descending order, you are getting 2.3 is the maximum value. So we have to select the item which is having more preciousness, that means more importance. So here 2.3 is having the product number 2. So we are going to select the product 2 and we are going to add into the bag. So when you are going to selecting that item number 2, so which is having 3 kilograms, so we are going to add into the knapsack, and so knapsack capacity is here 5 kg and we are going to add the 3 kg into the bag. So cost of that item number 2 is 7. So now we have to subtract that capacity of the knapsack. So 5 we have added 3 kilograms, so remaining capacity, empty space in the bag is only 2 kilograms. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So that's what given here. Now we have to select second precious value. Here the second most preciousness value is here 1.8 among this 4 items. Then the fourth item is 1.8. So here its weight is 5 kilogram. Okay. So the fourth item weight is 5 kilogram, but the capacity remaining capacity is only 2 kilogram. So we cannot select this fourth item. Then you go for next most preciousness. So next most preciousness is first item 1.5. So here 1.5 is having weight 2 kilograms. So 2 kilograms we are checking with the capacity of the remaining capacity of the knapsack. So 2 kilograms are remaining. So the selected item is also 2. So we can add that 2 kilograms items into the knapsack. So now we are subtracting that knapsack remaining capacity is 0. So now knapsack is full. So once knapsack is full, then we have to check what is the profit we have earned now. You look at that, the first item is selected. So we are making that selection means 1. So it is selected. Then second item which is selected, so which is also 1. Then third item is not selected, so we are making that as a 0. fourth item is not selected, we are making as a 0. So now we have to calculate the profit value. Total cost, optimal cost is here we are going to calculate, that is summation of I equal to 1 to n number of items. So here 4 items are there. So when you are calculating that profit into x corresponding items, so the first item is selected, the first items second item is this is the first item, yeah, P1. So this is P1, right? This one is the X1. So P1 is 3, profit is 3 here, and the number of that is unit is selected or not, this one x1 is 1, so we are given here, and the second item is also selected here. The second item's profit is here 7, so that is given here, and is it selected or not? Yes, it is selected 1, and plus you have to go for another 2 more items also. Another 2 more items is here, profit is 2, this one, and x3 is 0, so 2 into 0 plus then fourth item is 9, so 9 into x4 is also we are not selected 0, so these 2 terms becomes 0. So finally you are getting this one 3, this one is 7, so 3 plus 7 equal to 10. So now earned capacity, all right, earned profit with respect to its capacity is 10. So two elements are selected, x1 and x2. Two elements are not selected, x3 and x4. Here 0 means entirely we are not selecting, 1 means entirely entire product is selected. So that's the meaning indicates 0 1 knapsack problem. Thanks for watching.